Okay. Guys, I love her. Oh my gosh. Do I want a new car? Ooh, fancy. Oh, let's get out of here. So let's go shopping because we have so much time. So yeah, we're here. We're just gonna idle before I go check in the hotel. And see. But let's see. Got ready to go see Hugh and can't wait. Give me a big hug. Okay, I have to concentrate on driving. Okay, see you soon. Wait, come on this side. Wait.
Hey. Oh no. It's hot. Hi. He's really good at drawing names.
Josh texted him every day until he was like,
Cass said,
Giving Spirited Away.
It is Spirited Away.
Green pencil. Intertwined.
Yeah, you can do that one. That was cool.
During COVID.
Don't, yeah. This would be COVID very appropriate. Oh my god. Golden nugget.
Yeah. Yeah.
Sports.
Yeah. Line of bed just dimmed out.
Fun ways.
Luckies. All time. Got a random things. Okay. Some chips, chili lime chips. 2 salsas, ghost pepper, peach habanero. Not mine. Also not mine. Super coffee espresso, triple shot black. And then this one's mine. This has cream but vanilla flavor. And he got coffee caffeine like mints pouches. I don't know. Then I got kettle jalapeno chips. And then I had to get some beaver nuggies. I don't know what this is. I'm excited. And then also got some dark chocolate espresso beans. And then I've never seen these flavors before, so I really want to try it. I got birthday cake barbell, peanut butter barbell, caramel choco barbell, and then a built churro flavor. That's the first bag. Let's see. And then for our sandwiches, I had to. Got a pulled pork sandwich. And then the extra large brisket sandwich. My mouth is watering right now. And then we also just got a brisket egg taco. And then for dessert, a banana pudding. I'm just waiting for him to get in the car so we can try it together.
The brisket.
Brisket, the big one.
The big brisket.
Okay. Brisket taco.
We have the hot sauce.
Oh, you want your hot sauce?
Try it out.
You want to eat it plain first?
Yeah. Well, I want to try like the sauce with it too.
Okay.
I think the sauce will be good with the pulled pork.
Better.
Yeah. Try both. Or
I'll open it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, pause, dude.
I'm hungry.
Damn, dude. So, oh, well. Look at that. Look at that one.
Yummy.
Dude, that's thick. Thick as fuck.
Have a bite.
You want to bite first? You gotta bite first.
No, go ahead. You're already getting it.
This is the Big Buckin' Brisket Sandwich XXL chopped beef.
I already gave him a haul.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. Stupid fucking
It's fire.
fire.
It's like, it's really juicy. and I guess tender.
Mm-hmm.
I guess a little bit less sauce. I would prefer less sauce.
Really?
Yeah, that's just me. That's why I like the brisket taco.
I can't do this.
So I said,
Trade.
trade. Sorry. Yeah. Yeah.
I'm so hungry.
I always stop by them. It's good.
Honestly, this, maybe.
Yeah, maybe.
Not this one.
That one's sweet.
I think that one.
Peach now. Stab that on. It's good. One more?
But on the sides too.
Okay.
The other side, no? Okay.
Go.
Hold on, my stomach is stretching.
I don't know.
It's got a nice kick.
No.
Mm-hmm. I low-key wish it was
Not
like
strong.
mango.
No. It's not strong.
It
What's
was
good?
good.
So,
Ugh.
you alright?
I needed food so bad. Eat your pulled pork.
I'll eat it later. We have to finish this. I'm glad we're sharing.
Yeah, that's too much.
Fill it up. Maybe we should grab some water. Water. Yes.
I have water.
Oh, like back bucket? Yelling?
I have the big one, big essentials.
Okay. Nice.
Here, one more bite and it's all yours.
This one? Feel better? Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Good.
Mm. Mm-mm-mm.
Ghost pepper.
Spicy?
Coming up.
Really?
Yeah. Sweet though. It really is sweet and spicy.
You want this one later, right?
Mm-hmm.
I grabbed barbecue sauce and salsa.
Maybe use it for the burrito.
Can I have the burrito now?
Yeah.
Before we keep driving?
Mhm.
It's another hour. We're gonna knock out the beach so hard.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
The brisket has no sauce. What am I saying?
No, I like it without sauce.
But I like that sandwich.
That was really
Good.
it's good. But you can enjoy the brisket just like as it is. It's good, huh? Isn't it good? Like just without sauce. I had it without the egg, but just without the sauce, like you can really enjoy the brisket.
I need another one.
Fucking fire, right?
How many of these did you get?
I got one.
Just one?
I got one, and I was like, fuck, I should got more.
Damn.
It's good.
Oh my god.
Right? It doesn't need sauce. You can eat it with sauce for
It's
sure,
so
but
good.
it's good.
Ugh.
Ah, Demon Slayer's not playing.
And just to make the butter a little softer.
Thank you. We're heading to Publix. You know, I was out to smile. Just vlogging. Publix. Let's see what's good here.
Get some sense.
No, you're not.
Yeah.
Publix. Sorry, Bubba, you're not allowed. Turkey. If you know, you know. These are the best cookies ever. These are the best cookies ever. Okay, okay. Oh my god, this pound of butter.
I thought it was good.
Say it.
Lucky's is more lively.
Yeah, this kind of your average fonts or. I mean, there's some things, you know. There's some things, sure. They know that you guys are around. I can't see. It's Chipotle Gouda cheese, shredded slaw, and crispy jalapenos, sweet peach. Next time, when it's not closed. Go. Got a knife. Guess we're back. Fill out some gas at the famous Boogies. Bye. You're back at your favorite store.
It's not my favorite. It's pretty fire.
It's favorite. Favorite. Oh my gosh. Zoom in, bitch. And see the aquarium. I see my first alligator. Is alligator? Yeah. That's alligator. Whoa. Look at all the fishes. I choose you, Pikachu. So cute.
Look at this thing right behind you.
I think the lion is in a cage.
Hmm?
Nigeria.
Where's it going?
Interactions or otherwise disrupt the natural behaviors of wild dolphins. So, next time you are out on a boat in the Gulf, we encourage you to have dedicated our entire careers for the care of marine mammals. That makes sense. In fact, research studies have shown that dolphins can remember each other's
is over there. So I'm shocked.
You didn't tell me when you guys are open. I have to clean this, I have to clean that. Marlin.
You're stuck in there. It's a big fish.
I'll try the sandwiches out of the burrito. The jerky. Made it just in time.
Cheers. Hi, good, how are you?
Good. Junior cheeseburger, medium ocean water, and a vanilla sugar.
Yes, thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Is there anything else I can do for you?
No, that's it. Thank you. You too.